Friends, this is an function generator which is I made from the Arduino Pro Mini, and it has a capability of to 5 Hz to 1 MHz. And here is an smartscope app in which I can visualize the signal and use as an oscilloscope. Let's check which one is the correct or both are correct. So here I am selecting a desired frequency with a perfect duty cycle adjustment. So let's say it has a 4 kHz set, and let's check at the app. So here is also 4.01 kilohertz. So that means our assumption was right. Function generator is working properly on oscilloscope. And let's check at 2 kilohertz. So here you can see that the 2 kilohertz shown on the index, and here we can see the clear square wave, at least clear. And here is also adjustment with the duty cycle. I am set it to 70 to 80, and here in also duty cycle changes with respect to the function generator. Here as 15 and here as an near about 14-15. So that means the visualization of 15% duty cycle. So at a lower frequency it exact same, and here is the connection of the microphone and probe. So let's check at the higher frequencies. So in this case we confirm that our function generator was correct, but the software is not accurate at higher frequency because it is an audio jack connector. So it is not specially designed for oscilloscope. It can be used only below 20 kilohertz signal because the sound uh, can be designed at below 20 kilohertz. So at higher frequency it does not responsive and shows them any noise and error. So it is not desired at a oscilloscope. So let's check the saturated minimum frequency that can be visualized on this app. So here I adjust the duty cycle. Duty cycle works fine. If 0, there is no any noise on the scope. Let's check at 90%. At 96% it shows some noise, but it means that there is availability of signal, but it is not exactly shown how much frequency is it. So let's decrease the frequency and check the visibility point for the smartscope app. Here the app I am using is smartscope that you can download from Google Play Store. All important link provided in the description. Please visit the description for this project.